Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to place for in-depth product reviews and insights. Today, we're diving into a toothpaste that's designed specifically for sensitive teeth. The Sensodyne Pronamel Gentle Teeth Whitening Enamel Toothpaste for sensitive teeth in the fresh mint flavor. It promises a lot, from rehardened enamel to whiter teeth, but does it deliver? Let's break it down. This toothpaste comes in a 4-tube pack, each offering a 4-ounce portion of Sensodyne's signature gentle whitening formula. The fresh mint flavor is meant to leave a cool, refreshing feeling in your mouth, while the toothpaste is designed to reharden and strengthen enamel, which can be especially useful for those with sensitive teeth. It's formulated to provide effective protection against cavities and gently polish away stains without causing additional irritation. When it comes to real-world usage, I tested this toothpaste for a few weeks. I have sensitive teeth, so I've been cautious about whitening products in the past. I started using Sensodyne Pronamel each morning and night, and I can say that the mint flavor is refreshing, but not overpowering. The texture is smooth and easy to apply, which made the brushing process feel natural. After a couple of days, I noticed my teeth were visibly brighter, though not dramatically so. This isn't going to give you a Hollywood smile overnight. But in terms of sensitivity, I felt much more comfortable brushing without the usual twinges that some other whitening products cause. That's a major win for anyone with sensitive teeth. There are some pros worth mentioning. First, the mint flavor is crisp and not too intense, which is ideal for those who want a clean mouthfeel without an overpowering taste. The gentle nature of the toothpaste really does help with sensitivity, offering a pleasant brushing experience. As for the cons, it didn't blow me away with its whitening power. It definitely helps with stain removal over time, but it won't give you instant results like some other more aggressive whitening options. In terms of value for money, it's a solid choice for those who prioritize enamel protection and want to keep sensitivity at bay. The 4-tube pack ensures you're stocked for a while, but at a slightly higher price point compared to basic toothpaste. However, considering it's dentist recommended and provides specific benefits for enamel, I think it's a fair price for the performance it delivers. When compared to other sensitive toothpastes, Sensodyne Pronamel stands out for its emphasis on enamel protection. Many competitors focus on either sensitivity or whitening, but this product aims to do both. It's in a different category than your typical whitening toothpastes that can sometimes be harsh. So if you're looking for a gentle option that still works on stains, this could be the right choice. However, if your main goal is aggressive whitening, there are other products that may give faster results. The build quality of this toothpaste is typical for a product like this. The packaging is secure, the paste is consistent, and there's nothing to worry about in terms of quality issues. The brand's reputation for dental care is solid, and there haven't been any customer service interactions in my experience. Sensodyne is widely trusted among people with dental sensitivities, so that's worth noting. As for product alternatives, you could consider Colgate Sensitive Whitening Toothpaste if you're looking for a cheaper alternative that still offers sensitivity relief and whitening benefits, though it doesn't always focus on enamel rehardening as much as Sensodyne. To wrap up, the Sensodyne Pronamel Gentle Teeth Whitening Enamel Toothpaste delivers on its promises for sensitivity protection and gradual whitening. If you're dealing with sensitive teeth and want something that also helps with enamel, this is a solid pick. It's not the most dramatic whitening solution out there, but its gentle formula will help keep your teeth in good shape while maintaining comfort. If you're primarily after whitening, you might need to look elsewhere. Thanks for watching. You can find the link to this toothpaste in the comments box below. If you've tried it, let me know how it worked for you in the comments. Or if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Goodbye till next time, and remember, keep it fresh with Beautyistic.